Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install the tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this screen protector comes with a dry and a wet wipes. So the first thing we need to do is to clean the screen with a wet wipe. Now the wipe is really tiny. It's probably be enough to wipe the screen. So give it a good clean any fingerprint and dust. Now it can also dry quite quickly. Alright, after that we can use a dry wipe right here. If I can get out quickly, yep. So tiny. Alright, so we need to clean again with this dry wipe. Now you can see if we're not quick enough, then the mark will come back. So I'm just going to use this wet wipe to clean it again. And then quickly use the dry wipes to clean it. Okay, I still have some mark on it. It's quite useless because this is very small, so I'm going to use a microfiber cloth instead. I'm going to use this microfiber cloth, which is a lot better. So just clean it thoroughly so that you remove any fingerprints and marks left over. Alright, also included in the package is this dust remover. So most of the time you get the dust remover to remove the dust. But this one here is quite big, so that's quite good. So this screen protector have this massive dust remover. Alright, so it looks like it's all nice and clean. Now with the tempered glass, we're going to fill back the film at the back. Sometimes this one here doesn't actually stick all the way to the top, so that can become a problem. Alright, so now it's coming off. I'm just going to try to get the dust out one more time. Dust can quickly come back to the screen, so just going to do it one more time before we apply the screen protector on. Alright, now we quickly peel off and apply the screen protector on your device. And just kind of like push it down. A little bit of bubbles right here, perhaps maybe dust got in or sand got in, so just try to swish it out. Alright, so that is pretty good. Just a tiny bit of dust I think somehow got in, so just try to squeeze it down. Alright, just give it a good wipe. Then here we can switch it on. And that's it. That's how you can apply a screen protector to your iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this will give you a good protection in case your tempered glass crack. It does not actually crack the screen underneath. and this screen protector is quite smooth as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.